What are crystal grids and templates, and what are they used for? I'd like to start by quoting one of my favorite crystal energy teachers, Robert Simmons, from his book, The Alchemy of Stones. One can view the creation of these harmonies of stones being somewhat akin to the composition of music. The musical composer draws upon knowledge of a multitude of vibrational frequencies, musical notes, as well as an array of different instruments which can express these notes in different ways. I love this quote. It sets the tone for what I am about to share with you. We are combining and arranging various stones in a harmonious pattern. The crystals all work off of each other and create a field of energy with a specific purpose depending on the energy of the stones you choose and the pattern in which you place them. Crystal grids are larger and can be as big as you like. Some people create grids the size of their yards and beyond, while a template is smaller and can be held or placed on your energy centers or used during meditation. Because they are easily transported, you can set them anywhere you want to bring in a certain energy. When creating grids and templates, it is important to take a moment reuniting with the silence within to connect with our higher self and truly feel what our energy is needing at the time. Usually something will come up, and then you can go from there. Learning about stone and crystal energy and using reference books can help you determine what stones to use. And there are many places that offer combinations of stones for the energy you are seeking. Etsy is a great source, and there are also some great combinations in the Alchemy of Stones book I just quoted from. Templates are wonderful and simple to use. With templates, you want to choose a focal stone for the center, which is the main energy you want to amplify. Then you surround your focus stone with whatever additional energy you want to bring and create an organized pattern while placing them. For example, if I'm creating a healing template, I'll put seraphinite in the center, which is a very powerful stone for physical healing, but it also works on releasing accumulated energy that can cause illness. So then I might feel that to heal, I need to rest and take it easy, so I will add lepidolite and rose quartz for emotional well-being, and healerite stones for rejuvenation and healing on all levels. I like to use these selenite plates here since we know that selenite moves and amplifies energy quickly. Start by placing your focal stone in the center, then take your second energy choice and place them around the border like this. Now take your additional stones and create a pattern around the border. Maybe something like this, or even this. You can even add small quartz points between the focal stone and your other stones like this to assist in integrating the vibrations together. Once you have created your template, take a moment to activate your intention by placing your hands above your stones and imagine the life force of the universe coming in through your crown, moving into your heart. Now bring your intention from your heart, allowing it to flow out through your hands into your template. You have now activated your template. If you want to use these templates to lay on your body, you may want to use a bit of putty to help them stay on the selenite plates. I also use these selenite bowls and fill them with small stones and place the bowls on each chakra I am working on. Now, when creating grids, it's helpful to have a mandala template as a guide to begin, like this one here. There are a variety of designs to choose from, but I thought it appropriate to use this specific one for the balancing of the chakra energy, and with the flower of life symbol of interconnectedness. Most grids, like this, will have a center point for placing the base stone, but this one has points for your 7 energy centers. So first, we will place our 7 chakra stones, starting from the root up. And then we can add more stones along the intersecting lines or points on the grids like these here. The reason for placing them at these intersections is that it gives them a point of connection for a consistent and specific flow of energy. You can think of it like on a circuit board, following the traces to the components that store and transmit energy from one component to the other. They work off one another and then all together. We might choose stones good for balancing, purifying, or activating these points. Amethyst, clear quartz, tiger's eye are some good choices. Place these stones along the outside of the mandala first, and work your way towards the center. Do this with as much presence and inner connection as you can, so that you can get a feel for the energetic pattern that wants to be there for you. Our intention with this grid is for balance and wholeness. So just like our practice with the template, we bring that intention into our heart, allowing the energy to flow to the grid to activate it. I like to use natural materials for the base of all of my grids and templates. Stone or wood work very well, and you can even create a large grid on the surface of your wooden tabletop, or make a beautiful grid in one of your gardens on a large flat stone. The patterns you can create are as endless as the patterns of the universe. There are many beautiful, unique mandala grids that are visually pleasing and easy to follow, and you can feel free to choose one that speaks to you. Be sure to cleanse your stones regularly and take time with your grids and templates. You can use them in an altar space to amplify the sacred energy, and they can be very helpful for meditation. While you engage in this sacred act, try to be mindful, feeling the energy expanding out, connecting with the flow, and merging with your vibration. Believe in the power of this relationship. Believe in the power of your intention. Connecting in this way gets you in touch with the harmonious design of the vast universe.